Salam. My name is Maryam and I'm going to teach you a fantastic recipe for your charcuterie board. It's the simplest meal in the Iranian cuisine. It's called Noon-o-Paneer. Repeat after me. Noon-o-Paneer. For today's combo, the herbs that I'm going to use arugula, baby arugula or arugula. I'm going to use dill, cilantro, and I'm gonna look here. I have mint and basil. You can basically use any kind of herbs. Even if you have just arugula, it's gonna be fantastic. Herbs are gonna add kind of a fragrance and aroma to your little bites and pieces, so it's gonna be fantastic. I'll wash them and then I'll chop them. It doesn't really matter how small or large the pieces are because you're going to cut the rolls eventually after you make them. So this is fine. Okay, so we're going to take a piece of the lavash. We're going to add some cheese to it. You see, I'm going to put the cheese in there. You could also use, crumbled feta if you want. It doesn't really matter. And it shouldn't be like really, really thick. So if you see what I'm trying to do here, I'm gonna just like make it crumbly so it's not like really, really salty or. So what I'm gonna put on top of that are the dates. I have pitted the dates and I'm gonna put them here on top of the cheese. I'm going to make them into smaller bits and pieces and try to make him kind of stick. On top of that, I'm going to add the herbs. And then I'm going to roll it. The best way to do it is to leave this in a plastic bag in the fridge so it just softens and it just gets together a little bit better. And then afterwards, we're going to take it out of the fridge and then we're going to cut it into small slices. I'm taking it out. And then I'm making small slices. This is what I'll do. I'm gonna put a toothpick so you see the cross section. And then I'm gonna top it off with a piece of grape. This is how it will look like. And then you can put it on your plate for your guests. Noosh jan, as we say in Farsi. Enjoy.